Murukku, varieties. A delicious South Indian vegetarian dishes recipe. This recipe yields a large batch, varies based on size and shape. Preparation takes about 45 to 60 minutes, includes dough preparation and shaping. And cooking takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 cups rice flour, a quarter cup besan, 4 tablespoons butter or ghee, 1.5-2 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, a half teaspoon asafoetida, to 2-3 cups water, as needed oil, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the rice flour, besan, salt, sesame seeds, and asafoetida. Whisk to combine. Step 2. Pour the melted butter or ghee into the dry ingredients. Rub the mixture between your palms until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy texture. Step 3. Gradually add hot water, a little at a time, while mixing with a spoon or spatula, as the water is hot. Once cool enough to handle, knead into a smooth, non-sticky dough. The dough should be soft but firm enough to hold its shape. Step 4. For mullu murukku, add the cumin seeds to a portion of the prepared dough and knead well. Step 5. For Thenkujal murukku, add the crushed black pepper, if using, to a portion of the prepared dough and knead well. Step 6. For Sipu Seedhe, use the plain base dough. Step 7. Prepare your murukku press, chakli maker, with the desired plate, star, or mullu plate for mullu murukku, 3-hole plate for Thenkujal murukku, and roll small portions of dough into thin logs for Sipu Seedhe. Step 8. Fill the murukku press with a portion of the dough. Press the dough onto a greased parchment paper, butter paper, or plastic sheet to form the desired shapes, spirals for mullu and Thenkujal, or roll thin logs for Sipu Seedhe and press lightly with a comb or fork to create the pattern. Alternatively, you can press directly into the hot oil, with caution. Step 9. Heat oil for deep frying in a wide pan or kadai over medium heat. The oil should be hot but not smoking. To test the oil, drop a small piece of dough. It should sizzle and rise slowly. Step 10. Carefully slide the shaped murukku from the parchment paper into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd the pan. Step 11. Fry the murukku on medium heat, flipping occasionally, until golden brown and crispy. This usually takes a few minutes per batch. The sizzling will subside as the murukku cooks. Step 12. Using a slotted spoon, remove the fried murukku and drain excess oil on paper towels. Step 13. Repeat with the remaining dough, preparing shapes and frying in batches. Step 14. Allow the murukku to cool completely before storing in an airtight container. They will crisp up further as they cool. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.